Orford Mill is situated by the bank of the River Torridge and provides a great opportunity for observing wildlife. The cottage we stayed in was near to the bridge and had a balcony overlooking the river. From here we saw several otters during a week of very mixed weather. Monday morning produced the first good sighting, just beyond and under the bridge. One couldn't ask for a better view. We saw lots of kingfishers darting up and down the river, and eventually one settled on a conveniently close branch. I was hoping that it would dive into the water and return with a fish, but no luck this time. After a long rest, it just flew away. Sometime later, it appeared on another branch. It was quite unconcerned by the noise of the traffic above it. Seemingly unhappy with this perch, it moved back to its favourite branch. This time it did dive into the river, but then flew straight to the opposite bank. Later that day, a bird called a dipper appeared. It was busily hunting for small fish and other creatures that live in the clear, fast-flowing river. It did this by moving against the current and walking on the river bed. As it moves, it seems to bob up and down. Even when the river was in full flood, it still managed to keep its footing. Otters can sometimes be seen under the trees overhanging the far bank beyond the bridge. A pair of binoculars is essential if you're to have a really good view. Bubbles on the surface are a good sign that something is around. From Orford Mill it is possible to walk along the river towards Great Torrington. It is a lovely walk with varied views and interesting plant life. The butterflies mostly flitted from wildflower to wildflower, but abundantly attracted not only the usual peacock butterflies, but also some handsome silver-washed fritillaries. Wet weather can be very frustrating on holidays, but it doesn't always deter wildlife. During our stay at Orford Mill, the heavens opened, but the kingfisher was very obliging. This shot was filmed from our bedroom, through the glass of the French windows and between the railings. At last we did see it catching a fish. In fact, it caught several from different perches. As we got ready to depart, I had a last look over the balcony, and there were some otters, swimming right underneath where I was standing. They seemed quite unconcerned. This was a truly fine ending to a great holiday.